Guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you again. Thank you so much for liking, for commenting, for sharing my videos. Let me hope they are important to you guys. I'm here back again to share with you. I've been getting so many questions about how to use these programs, so it's what we are going to do. We have these ones. We are going to start with these ones. These two, they are almost the same, but the difference is this one, the baby steam, we use it on babies' clothes, most especially those infants. Dark wash is for those jeans that fades. There's this one for sports, this one for soft, this is cotton 20%. Then drum clean is cleaning the drum. You wash as you clean the drum. Yeah, we have this one, echo. You understand it? This is cotton, this is fibers. Yeah, this is fibers. This is mixed clothes. There's wool, there's quick 15 in case you want to wash clothes that are not so dirty. Then this is rinse and spin. We are going to see how to increase temperature. I've been getting these questions in my comment section. Let's say we are going to wash, our clothes that are not so dirty. This is quick 15. This is 15 minutes. In case I want to add, I come here to option, I place this. You see, I've added 5 minutes. 5 minutes, let's say I want to add temperature. There's no temperature here. In case I want to steam my clothes, I come here. If we start the button on these minutes, which means we are not going to steam, we are going to wash, rinse and spin. I think you see. This is for washing, this is for rinsing, this is for spinning. So here we are going to add temperature. Let me click temperature. That is temperature. So if I add, you see, on 20 they have added 15 minutes. So our clothes are going to be steamed for 15 minutes and washed for 20 minutes. Let's say spin. I want them to spin only 4 minutes or 6 or 8 or what you want. Then delayed end. I can choose to delay for an hour while it's washing. I can choose to delay any time that you want. So that's how this program works. We are going. Then some people ask me how their clothes, how the machine doesn't rinse. In case you're having that issue that your machine does not rinse well, what you do, you come here. You are finished washing, you set spin. Don't rinse and spin, just spin. Spin for 10 minutes. In case you want to add, you can add as much time as you want. Starting from 4 minutes, you can spin as much time as you want. Anything else? What else do they ask me? I keep forgetting the questions. How to wash jeans, dark wash. Jeans you can wash them here, sportswear, all. But steaming, you can steam anytime. You don't need to use baby or RG to steam. You can steam if in any program, as long as you want to steam your clothes. You can steam whether you want to use cotton, whether it's wool, you can still steam it by the use of this temperature button. Come here, click, add 40 minutes or 20 or add what you want. You can steam for 20 minutes and the rest of the time the machine will wash for you. So guys, that was it. In case of any questions, ask me. I'll be here to help you guys. That's why I'm here. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye. I love you.